How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Here, recovering deleted messages on WhatsApp can be possible depending upon your situation if you have backed up your chats. So, in order to check if you have a backup, you have to open up WhatsApp. Here, WhatsApp will allow you to back up your chats either to your Google Drive if you're on your Android or to your iCloud if you're using iPhone. So if you have backed up your messages before they were deleted, you can still restore them. So once you have opened your WhatsApp, tap on the three dot icon at the top right. Here tap on settings, scroll down a bit and here tap on chats. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on chat backup. And here you can see the last backup date in time. Now in order to restore from the backup, you have to uninstall the application. Head towards the application, tap and hold on the application. Tap on App Info, here tap on Uninstall. After that, you have to reinstall the WhatsApp from your Google Play Store. Once you reinstall, open up the WhatsApp and now you can log in by verifying your phone number. Once the verification is complete, you'll be prompted to restore your chats from the backup. There, tap Restore. Then wait for the restoration to finish, then your messages from the last backup will be recovered. So that is the way to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.